Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Patriot. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.